My wife found Sunwest Painting by walking down the street and looking at some painters working on our neighbor's house. Thought it was a fair price, and I don't even know what's a fair price for painting a house, but it seemed fair to me. And then after Luis, then we had Denise. And after Denise came and did the color renderings of the house, we thought, wow, this Sunwest painting is really top notch. So the next thing that happened was we picked the paint sheen, picked everything, and then within 2 or 3 weeks, out came the painters and they had it all taped and masked, and they started painting, and within 10 days it was done and finished, and a magnificent job. And just from Denise it went to Pedro, from Pedro it went to Nelson it went to Antonio, and one other person I've forgotten his name, but he was terrific also. Just nice group of people who smiled a lot, were friendly, very cooperative, and
efficient.
Didn't have any problems with touching up any area that wasn't perfect. And in fact, I did a punch list of imperfect things, and Pedro said, "Oh, you don't need to do that until after we've done it tomorrow." I said, okay, fine. And so I had made a list of about 6 or 7 things. And the next day when I went out, every one of the punch items that I had found was done and finished except for one. One little dinky overspray on a window that within about 45 seconds, Nelson had fixed. So I can't say enough good about these people. They come on time, they do their work on time, they're friendly, they smile a lot, and they're just pleasant to be around. So this was a very, very pleasant experience for us.
And they kept the environment clean. They worked around our dog. And we're actually very friendly to our little puppy who wasn't used to seeing people in the house, so that was really nice. And the one thing that I'd like to add is when we went through the color process with Denise, which was a fantastic process because we felt the first time we painted our house when we built it, we weren't that excited about the color that we chose. But when we went through the colors with Denise, and then she came out and put colors on the wall, we did a really great sample, and the first shot, the colors were perfect. We didn't have to go back and change anything, and we're so happy with the way they turned out. So thank you.
And we hope you agree if you've seen the pictures. They just did a great job. Thank you very much.